Hi guys, hope you're all okay. It's Chantel, welcome back to my channel. So, as you've all probably noticed from the title, I'm reviewing Minuit et Demi, the collaboration between Demi Rawling and Fragrance du Bois. Now, I've followed Demi's journey for such a long time now, and I was really excited that I seen that she was collaborating to release a new fragrance. So I really wanted to get it during the first release, but I didn't get my hands on it. So when I seen it had been relaunched, I was so excited and curiosity just got the better of us, and I just bought it right away. I had seen so many reviews on it and I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I was so excited. Unfortunately, when it arrived, the sprayer on the bottle was broken. It was leaking. Every time I sprayed, just loads leaked out. I got in touch with Fragrance du Bois and they come and collected the fragrance and changed it for a new one. The customer service was pretty good, to be honest, so that was fine, and I've been wearing it since, so I can give me full thoughts to you guys. So Demi went with Simrise to produce the fragrance, and she was given a lot of samples to try, and she didn't want to know who the nose was of each sample. So she went at it blind and she chose a fragrance by Stefan Bangana, and she was totally overwhelmed by it. She loved it and she knew that that's who she wanted to work with, which I think was an amazing way of choosing the perfumer and really connecting with them on that level. So I'm gonna start off by showing you the box and the fragrance itself. I think it's absolutely stunning. You've got your black velvet box with your Fragrance du Bois plaque on the front, and then when you open it up, you've got this gorgeous satin interior, your beautiful Fragrance du Bois bottle with Minuit et Demi on the front and Demi Rawling's signature. Now, Minuit et Demi translates to midnight in French, and it's a play on Demi's name, which I think is very cool. And the bottle itself is absolutely beautiful. I really do love the Fragrance du Bois bottles. I think that's stunning. And in true Demi style, this fragrance is a true gourmand. She also knew that she wanted it to be 100% unisex, so it would appeal to everyone, and I think it really does that. Now I'll go through the notes with you. The top is cardamom, pimento and bergamot. The mid is caramel and coffee, and the base is vetiver, cedarwood, cashmere, vanilla, musk and a tobacco bourbon delay. Now that is a note that's exclusive to Simrise, and she really wanted that put in there. So as I say, I've been wearing it since it came to get a good feel for it, and for me it's like a spicy caramel latte. It smells beautiful. A lot of people seem to not be getting that coffee note, but I get it quite a bit on my skin. It's also got like a milkiness to it, which I really enjoy. It smells beautiful. It's quite sensual. It's sexy. It's very intimate. As Demi said, she wanted a very intimate fragrance, and that's exactly what you've got here. It's very soft and gorgeous, and for me, there's just the right amount of spice in there to give it that little kick, but not too much, and it's really beautiful. Now, I've heard a lot of people say that it reminds them of Penhaligon's Changing Constance, which I've sampled before, and I do get the similarities between the two. They are quite similar, but still different in a way. Now, the scent alone for me is absolutely beautiful. It smells amazing. It's super like intoxicating. It leaves you wanting more. The longevity is around 8 hours on my skin, which isn't bad. But for me, where it lacks is the projection. Now, Demi's always been super transparent, and she's always said that it is a little bit more close to the skin. It's not going to be like a big projector, and she did want the fragrance to be for intimate occasions. So I knew what I was getting into with that. But for me, it projects very lightly for the first half an hour, and then after that it turns to a skin scent on my skin. Now, the only time I would wear this is, I think it's perfect for like in the winter time when you're having like a romantic night in with your partner, because honestly, someone's gonna have to be pretty close to you to be able to smell it. I just wish that it would project that little bit more, because the scent is so dreamy that you want people to be able to smell you. You want to wear this out and you want to get noticed by it because it smells that good. It's beautiful, it's intoxicating, it's quite sexy. It's a little bit mysterious, and as I say, it leaves you wanting more, and I want more from it because I want it to project that little bit more. I really would love people to smell this because it smells stunning. It's very like warm and inviting. It's quite cozy. I can like imagine sitting with my partner all snuggled up in the winter time in front of the telly, watching a really good movie and just enjoying each other's company. And that's the sort of setting that I can see myself wearing this. But for me, I think it's a little bit overpriced because of the projection issues. No one's ever gonna be close enough to you other than your partner to smell this. I just like it for like a little bubble of friends or people around you to be able to smell it. So if it projected that little bit more, this would probably be like on my top 10 for life list because it smells so good. It's dreamy, it's smells edible, it's just delicious. It really does smell amazing, but the projection just isn't enough for me, and I don't think it's worth the £250 for that reason. And as I say, I always knew that it wasn't going to be the biggest projector, because Demi's always said, and other people reviewing it have always said, but I didn't expect it to be so close to the skin that someone's more or less got to be on top of you to smell it. So that is a little bit of a letdown about the fragrance, but other than that, I absolutely adore it. The smell of it is amazing. It's super good quality. It's blended to perfection. And I'm just so happy that I've been able to get my hands on this fragrance. I feel very lucky that I've been able to support Demi in a first ever fragrance, which I do think she's done a really good job on. She's been very true to herself, because this is very much Demi's style of fragrance. So yeah, I'm super happy I've got it. I'm a collector of fragrances. This is something I had to get into my collection. It's something I wanted ever since the first launch, and I'm really happy to have it. But looking past that and really thinking whether I would pay £250 again for this fragrance, I don't think I would, which is a shame because the smell of it is so good. I think Demi's done an amazing job on it, but I've just got to be honest to you guys and give you my true honest opinions, as I always do. But yeah, what do you guys think of this fragrance? Have you tried it? Let me know in the comments below. Give us your thoughts on it. As you all know, I love chatting with you all. I always answer all my messages. So leave us a comment down below. Tell us your thoughts. Give us a big thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Press the notification bell and you'll be notified whenever I upload my next one. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you all very, very soon on the next one. Bye.